Hey, this is Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the Math Study STAAR Study Guide, Part 3. So we're looking at question number 27 from the release STAAR. So first thing we're looking at is there's 18 floors in an office building, and each office on the floor says the offices are per floor. Well, this keyword each and per means you're multiplying. So if you look at your answers here, you have subtraction and addition. The fraction line means division, and then this one means you are multiplying. So if you don't see subtraction, addition, division, then the one without the symbol is our multiplication symbol. So this means multiplying, but 18 floors times the number of offices gives you a total of 396 offices. So go ahead and make your selection. So which statement is true for a credit card, but not true or would be false about a debit card? A debit card. So credit card is money borrowed and debit is cash from a bank account. Okay, so which statement is true for a credit card but not true for a debit card? So this is true for a debit card. That is true. You need a PIN number. Money withdrawn from a checking account. That is true. That comes from a debit card. Okay, cardholder can use this. The ATM is true for a debit card. You're going to take out cash from your account. Now, debit cards are not going to charge interest. Charging interest is only for credit cards. Okay, that is true for a credit card, but is not true for a debit card. Okay, Susie paid 2/5 of the price for a movie ticket. Her parents paid the remaining portion. What decimal is equivalent to the price that Susie paid? So the price was 2/5. Okay, so changing that to a decimal, the top of the fraction goes inside division. So on a calculator, it would be 2 divided by 5. But in longhand, 2 goes inside and 5 goes outside. So 5 times 0 would be 20. And then you bring the 0 down. Bring your decimal up into your answer. And then put the multiple right there for the decimal value. Okay. Taylor and Rimey are each earning an hourly wage. So it says Taylor earns more money. Well, per hour means you're going to divide by the hours. Per hour means you're going to divide by the hours. So we have 6 goes in here. 6 goes into 14. 2 times 6 is 12. And then 6 goes into 24 4 times. Okay, so 144 144 is related to 288. So this is $24 an hour, and that is Raimi. Okay, so 7 goes in here 2 times. 14. So this is $22 per hour, and that is Taylor. Okay, so this is not true. Those are 2 obvious wrong answers. So go ahead and make your selection there between Taylor or Raimi. Taylor earns more. Taylor does not earn more. Okay, there's a couple different ways to go about this right here. Okay, and so we're looking at 33%. So percent is out of 100. But we're on the top, we're going to look at the parts. So there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so right here, 6. So if we're looking at 6, 6 is 1/2. So 1/2 is going to be 50%. And then if you go over here, 0, right in the middle is going to be 25%. So you got 25, 50%. So we are looking here between where's 33% going to go? So the keywords for number 32 is going to be no more. So no more means it's going to be less or equal to. So if it's not more than. So you're looking for the symbol less than or equal to. So you go down here. These are two obvious wrong answers. And now you're going to go ahead and subtract and find out which one is going to be the most correct answer. Okay, so here we're looking for the median. What is the median price? The median's the middle. Well, left, right, middle, top down, top down. So you're going to add these two numbers. So we add, and then we get 60 divided by 2 is going to give you the median. Okay, number 34, going to look at the expression. Go ahead and add these up. And it's pretty much just asking you, do you understand exponents? So exponents are going to multiply 10 times 10. So this 2 means you're going to put 2 of them, which gives you 100. All right, 100, but you need 1,000. So that's not even close. And then we've got 100 times 100, which is 10,000. So that's too small and too big. So 10 times 10 times 10 is going to give you 1,000. And 14 times 14 will give you 196. So this is a part to total question. As soon as you see the percent and then the given part, and then percent over 100. So here's your percent. Percent goes over 100. And it says the veteran examined 32 animals, and that is the total. So you can multiply and then divide by 100 to find the missing part over here. How many dogs? So you got 32 times 25. And go ahead and multiply that out. And then you're going to divide that by 100 to find your answer. Okay, so we got 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. When you're done multiplying that, come down below, cross that out, and then we got 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Now, when you're looking for the difference in salaries earned over a period of time, you're looking at 10 years. But first, you need to look at annual salary. Annual means 1 year. So we're going to look for the difference. And when you subtract this, here's a trick with this. When you subtract, they're pretty much always going to give you the 1 year answer. But this is only 1 year. But you need to multiply 1 year times 10 in order to get 10 years. So this is 38,800 times 10 to find the total. So these are two obvious wrong answers. Number 7, you're going to put it in order from least to greatest. So 22% is 0.2. Then we have 0.38. So we just convert those to decimals. Then we have 21 hundredths and then 35 hundredths. So 1/4, that's one of our benchmark fractions, 0.25. So this is going to be 0.25. So the only one that you really need to focus on is the 3/8. So 8 goes into 3 0 times. 8 goes into 30 3 times. 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, and then we subtract. And then 8 goes into 60 7 times. So that's 56. But because all these have 2 decimal place values, you can stop right there. So this is 0.37. So 0.37 is going to go here. That's 0.38 is the G. And this is 0.25. So 0.21, 21 hundredths is going to be the L. So you got them in order from least to greatest. All right, so I believe this is the last question. So the stem and lead plot shows the pressure in pounds per square inch of the bicycle tires. So this means 50, 59, 59. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then we have 65, 72, and then 74. So we look at the statements. It says 1/2 of the tire pressure is 75 pounds square inch or less. Okay, so less, half of them, we're looking at 75. 75 is going to be right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 out of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So half of the tire pressure is 75 per inch or less. 6 is not half of 20. That would need to be 10 out of 20 would be 1/2. There's more tires with pressures from 90 to 99. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 of them. Then pressures from 80 to 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. So this is not more. So that is not true. 3 times as many tires have pressure from 50 to 59. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. As tires have pressure of 65. And there's only 1. So 1 times 3 equals 3. So that looks like that checks out. There's more tire pressures from 70 to 79, which is 3, than there is from 50 to 59. Okay, these are actually the same, so it's not more.